Good morning, children. Today we will do the book exercise of lesson 4, that is Partho the Park Keeper. Explanation we have already done, and today we will do the book exercise. So children, first one, A, understanding the story. Answer these questions. So these are question answers, so you will get as PDF, and you can write down the question answers in your copy. In this you just see the second question. Cross the things that Partho and his team did not do. So in this, picked up the litter, they did, so it is correct. Pulled out the weeds in the flower beds, this also they did, so this is also correct. Plucked all the flowers, no, they did not pluck the flowers, so here you will put a cross. Cut down the trees, no, this also they did not do, so in front of this again you put a cross. Clean the swing, yes, they cleaned the swing, so you will put a cross in front of two sentences, that is plucked all the flowers and cut down the trees. These two things they did not do. Now children, come to B part. This question answers you will get it in PDF. Now come to C part. Number these sentences in the correct order to sum up the story. Now here, see children, means the sentences are given about the story which are not in the correct order. So we have to place the sentences sequence wise in a proper order. So let's read. The first sentence is this one. Partho was a park keeper. This was the first sentence. So in front of this you write number 1. Block is given, you write number 1 in that. Now second is, it is on page number 27. He worked with a team of 5 people. So this is number 2. So write number 2 in front of this. He worked with a team of 5 people. Now what is number 3? The first sentence which is given. The park was closed once a year for cleaning. This is number 3. Number 4. Again on the next page. This year, the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning. This is number 4. Number 5 is just above that. During this time, Partho and his team put the litter in bins. This is number 5. Number 6, we come to previous page. They also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. This is number 6. Number 7, but they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches. This is number 7. Number 8, previous page. So, when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. This is number 8. Number 9. Okay, sorry, it is up to 8 only. Okay. So this is means the sequence. I will just read out the sequence once again. It is like 3, 6, 8, 1, 5, 4, 2, 7. This is the sequence. Now next is grammar and usage part will come. So here A part, circle the correct word to complete each sentence. So children, A and the. You have already studied that we put an in front of the words which starts with vowel sounds. And what are the vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U. Like an orange, an apple, an umbrella. And we put a in front of the words which have consonant sound. And the rest of the alphabets like B, C, D, F, G, H and so on, they are the consonant words. And the we put in front of the words which are already known. Like after the repetition we put the. So let's do it. First sentence. Leela has an orange. See, orange starts with a vowel sound. O vowel letter is there, so we'll put an. An orange. She shares the orange. Now why the orange? Because we already know about the orange we are talking. Here is a repetition. So we will say the orange. She shares the orange with her brother. Second, I am reading a comic book. C is a consonant, so we'll put a. The comic book. Now see, comic book we know it's a repetition, so we will say the. The comic book is called Tenali Rama. Third one, mother bakes a cake for my birthday. The cake has my name on it. Now again cake has the repetition, so the next time we will say the. So mother cakes a cake for my birthday. The cake has my name on it. Turn the page. Karan and Raja are in the zoo. See, an and the is there. Obviously and zoo will not be there, so we will say the zoo. They see an ostrich. O is a vowel, so they see an ostrich there. Fifth one, my friend has a pet cat. The cat, now there is repetition, so the cat loves playing with yarn. So I am repeating, children, once again. First one, Leela has an orange. She shares the orange with her brother. Second, I am reading a comic book. The comic book is called Tenali Rama. Third, mother bakes a cake for my birthday. The cake has my name on it. Next page. Karan and Raja are in the zoo. They see an ostrich there. Fifth one, my friend has a pet cat. The cat loves playing with yarn. Okay. Now next, B1. Complete these sentences with a, an or the. First one is given. He is an artist and she is a doctor. Now here, I drink a glass of milk, because G is consonant, so we will see a. And eat an egg. E is vowel, so we will put an. I drink a glass of milk and eat an egg for breakfast. Third one, Diya has a raincoat. Her brother Raju uses an umbrella when it rains. Fourth one, there is a small school in our village. We live near the school. Now why the school? Because here we know that about which school we are talking about, so we put the. Fifth, we watched a film called Cinderella. We enjoyed the film very much. Now we know which film we are talking about, so we will use the. So again I am repeating. Number 2, I drink a glass of milk and eat an egg for breakfast. Diya has a raincoat. Her brother Raju uses an umbrella when it rains. Fourth, there is a small school in our village. We live near the school. Fifth, we watched a film called Cinderella. We enjoyed the film very much. Now children, come to next words in use. So here answer these questions with the opposite of the words in color. Look at the words in the box for the help. So here one box is given. Here some words are given like far, new, clean, tall, small, dull. So we have to use these words and we have to form the opposite. First one, is the rabbit a large animal? Now we know the opposite of large is small. So no, it is a small animal. Is a coconut tree a short tree? So what is the opposite of short? Tall? No, it is a tall tree. T-A-L-L, tall. Is your school near the market? No, my school is very far. F-A-R, far from the market. Now next page. Does this room look bright? No, it is quite dull. D-U-L-L, dull. There is just one light in it. Fifth, is Sasha reading an old book? No, she is reading a new one. N-E-W, new. She bought it today. Sixth one, is John using a dirty spoon? No, he is using a clean one. C-L-E-A-N, clean. So children, second is tall. Third, far, F-A-R, far. Fourth is dull, D-U-L-L. Fifth is new, N-E-W. And sixth is clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Now come to the writing part. Join the correct parts to write the sentences. Partho is D1, a park keeper. So put number 1 there. His job is A, to keep the park clean. He loves, number 3, his job. He wants children, B, to enjoy the park. He and his team, C, work very hard. So it is like 2, 4, 5, 1, 3. So children, this is all about book exercise of Partho the Park Keeper, and please learn the word meaning of this chapter and also the book exercises. Thank you.